Good morning, students. Welcome to today's EVS class. Now, students, do you remember what we learned in the previous class? Do you remember? In the previous class, we wrote some questions and answers. Okay? So, what are these questions? The questions are these. What help us to smell? What help us to feel? What does the mouth help us to do? What do the ears help us with? Which part of the body help us to walk and run? Okay. Now children, today we will write some more questions and answers. So all of you take out your EVS copy. All of you take out your EVS copy. Okay. So first you write the date. Okay. Then we will go to write. Now children, today we will write some extra questions. Okay, so all of you write here extra. E-X-T-R-A, extra questions. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N-S, extra questions. Okay, then you write extra question 1, extra question 1. Then what is the extra question? How many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? आप लोग का आँख कितना है? Do you know? Write only one word or one sentence. Only one word of what you write now? We have only how many eyes? 2 eyes. So you write only here 2. Okay, so first we write the question. So write how. H-O-W, how many? M-A-N-Y, how many eyes? E-Y-E-S, how many eyes do? D-O, do you? Y-O-U, have. H-A-B-E, have. How many eyes do you have? Question mark. Okay, then we write what to write now? We write 2. We have how many eyes? 2. So here you write 2. Okay. Now children, what you write now? We write now the question or next answer. What you write now? How many eyes do you have? We have 2 eyes. Okay. So first we write here the answer. Okay. All of you write with me. Okay, all of you write with me. आप लोग सभी ने अब लिखो. हाँ. So we have 2 eyes. So here we write 2 T-W-O, 2 eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Okay, we have 2 eyes. And then we write the next question. Now what you write now? How many nose do you have? हम लोग का कितना नोज है? आप लोग जानता है ना? कितना नोज है? हम लोग का 1 नोज है ना? सो हम अभी क्वेश्चन लिखेगा. हाँ. सो हाउ, H-O-W, हाउ मेनी, M-A-N-Y, हाउ मेनी नोज, N-O-S-E, नोज, do, D-O, do you, Y-O-U, have. How many nose do you have? We have 1 nose. So here write answer A-N-S. Then write what? 1 nose. You write 1 nose. We have 1 nose. Okay. Now children, we write the next question. Question number 3. Okay. So question number 3. हम अभी क्या लिखेगा? How many hands do you have? हम लोग का कितना हैंड है? आप लोग जानता है ना? हम लोग का कितना हैंड है? टू हैंड है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द क्वेश्चन. हाउ, HOW, हाउ मेनी. MANY, many hands. ANDS, how many hands do you have? Do you have? ACABE, have. How many hands do you have? हम अभी क्या लिखेगा? We have 2 hands. So here right answer 2. TWO, 2 hands. HANDS, hands. We have 2 hands. हम लोग का दो हाथ है ना. हाथ से हम क्या करता है? खाना खाता है, काम करता है, कोई चीज उठाता है. So we do many work with our hands. Now children, we write the next question. Okay, so question number 4. Okay, now हम अभी क्या लिखेगा? हम अभी लिखेगा how many years do you have. हम लोग का कितना years है आप लोग जानता है क्या? जानता है ना, हम लोग का 2 years है. So first we write the question. So how many years do you have? So how, HOW, how many. MANY, many. How many years? EARS, how many years? Do. DO, do you. YO, you have. ACABE, have. How many years we have? We have 2 years. Okay, so answer, here we write the answer 2. TWO, 2 years. EARS, years. Okay, now children, do you know what do you do with our ears? We hear with our ears. हम लोग कान से क्या करता है? कान से हम लोग सुनता है, आवाज़ सुनता है, गाना सुनता है, सब कुछ हम सुनता है ईयर से. We hear the sound music with our ears. Okay, now children, we write the next question. Question number 5. Okay, हम अभी क्या क्वेश्चन लिखेगा? हम अभी लिखेगा how many legs do you have. हम लोग का कितना legs है? Do you know? We have 2 legs. Okay, so first we write the question. How, HOW, how many. MANY, many. How many legs? LEGS, legs. How many legs? Do, DO, do you. YO, you, do you have. ACABE, have. How many legs? We all have 2 legs. So here write 2. TWO, 2 legs. LEGS, legs. We have 2 legs. हम लोग लेग से क्या करता है? हम लोग लेग से वॉकिंग करता है, खेलता है ना. सो वी वॉक एंड रन विथ आवर लेग्स. नाउ चिल्ड्रेन, I turn the page. Okay, so first we write the page number 15. Now date 1 July month, no, so 7 2020. Okay, so हम अभी question number 6 लिखेगा. हाँ, so question 6. Now what you write? What you write? Now we write which part of the body help us to taste. Okay, कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट हमको टेस्ट लाने में हमको हेल्प करता है? डू यू नो? आप लोग जानता है क्या? सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द क्वेश्चन. सो which, WHICH, which part, PART, part of, OF, of the, TAC, the body. Which part of the body? BODY, body. Help, ACLP, help. Us, US, us to test. ACLPS, helps us to taste. TASTE, taste. Which part of the body helps us to taste? कौन से बॉडी पार्ट टेस्ट लेने में हमको हेल्प करता है? डू यू नो? टांग. टांग से हम क्या करता है? टेस्ट लेता है. जो खाना हम खाता है उस खाना का स्वाद हम टांग से लेता है. ओके, सो हम अभी क्या लिखेगा यहाँ पर? टांग. Tongue help us to taste. So here write tongue. Do you know the spelling tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Okay. Now children, today we have written this 6 questions and answers. What are these? These are: how many eyes do you have? We have 2 eyes, so we write 2 eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Then how many nose do you have? We have 1 nose, so here write 1 nose, O-N-E, 1, N-O-S-E, nose. Then next question, number 3. How many hands do you have? We have 2 hands, so here we write T-W-O, 2 hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. Then question number 4. How many ears do you have? We have 2 ears, so here we write T-W-O, 2 E-A-R-S, ears, 2 ears. Then how many legs do you have? We have 2 legs. Then T-W-O, 2 legs, L-E-G-S, legs. We have 2 legs. The next question, question number 6. Which part of the body helps us to taste? We have which part of the body help us to taste? Tongue help us to taste. So we write tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. So children, for today we have written these 6 questions and answers. Okay, all of you read and write this question and answer. Okay, for today I am going to stop the class. We will meet in the next class and we will also write some more questions and answers. Okay, so till then, bye bye.